Dr. Paul, I'm referring Mr. George to you for preoperative evaluation. He's scheduled for hip replacement surgery.
Thank you, Dr. Mahira. I'll schedule an appointment for Mr. George. Could you provide me with more details about his medical history?
Certainly. Mr. George has a history of diabetes and hypertension. He's currently taking metformin and amlodipine.
Is he allergic to any medications or have any known sensitivities?
He's allergic to penicillin.
I'll note that in his medical record. Dr. Mahira, are there any specific concerns or questions you have about his surgical candidacy?
I'm concerned about his overall health and his ability to tolerate the surgery. We'll need to assess his cardiac and pulmonary function.
I'll schedule an evaluation with a cardiologist and pulmonologist to address your concerns.
I completely understand why you might be questioning whether to continue this medication, Mihira. It's completely normal to have these concerns, especially if you're experiencing difficulties. Please know that your well-being is our priority, and I hear how challenging this must feel for you right now. While stopping may seem like the quickest way to find relief, this medication is carefully designed to work over a specific time frame. If we interrupt the treatment prematurely, it could unintentionally undo the progress we've made together. The medication needs time to fully address the underlying issue. Stopping now might mean your symptoms could return, sometimes even more intensely than before. There's another important reason we recommend completing the full course. It helps prevent the development of treatment resistance. Just as our bodies learn to fight infections, conditions can adapt if treatments aren't finished properly. This could make future recovery more complicated if the same issue recurs. I want to reassure you that we can work together to manage any side effects or discomfort you're experiencing. There are often adjustments we can make that allow you to continue treatment more comfortably. Your strength in sticking with this process is truly admirable, and I'm here to support you every step of the way toward full recovery.